We spent the entire day soaking up the sun at Si Señor Beach Club, right on Los Muertos Beach in the heart of Zona Romántica. And honestly, this is what a perfect Puerto Vallarta day looks like. From the moment you walk in, you've got that laid-back, toes in the sand vibe, palm trees overhead, ocean breezes rolling in, and front row views of the iconic Los Muertos Pier stretching out into the Bay of Banderas. We grabbed some loungers, ordered up some ice-cold margaritas and beer, headed to the beachfront to check it out, and then just settled into beach mode. This is a popular spot, so I highly recommend you pre-book your loungers, especially if you want ones right on the beach in the front row, because they get taken up early, especially in the high season, which runs from December through March. Many beach clubs in the heart of Puerto Vallarta, especially on Los Muertos Beach, charge you an upfront fee, and Si Señor is no exception. Their charge is 500 pesos per person, but the good news is that goes off against whatever you drink and eat. So we always spend a minimum of 500 pesos per person there, and we get it all back. And that's just to ensure that your reservation for a lounge chair doesn't go unanswered, and they don't want people sitting there ordering one beer for the day when they can have more full-value customers. And that makes sense because they got to pay their bills as well. This is Playa Los Muertos, or Los Muertos Beach, or Beach of the Dead, and it runs for about 1 kilometer from the pier all the way to the mirador or lookout at the end. It's where all the boats and water taxis collect. It's a perfect beach here. It's soft brown sand, and I find that the depth of the water and the wave action is the lightest or calmest anywhere on the beach here. So you're looking down the beach here, and what you see at the end, the rocks and trees, is the mirador or lookout. It's a great place to climb up, easy to climb up there for spectacular views along the coastline. Sandy on this section, but if you look further south, it becomes a rocky beach. So here's Si Señor itself looking back, and you can see all the lounge chairs. Now, Si Señor not only has lounge chairs and places to sit on the beach, you can also sit inside. The beach club is associated with the Emperador Hotel, and with that association, they have showers. So if you go swimming and you want to get that salt water off you, you can shower in the back. Plus, you can use the restrooms of the hotel itself. They display the menu out front. I'll show you a copy of the menu a little bit later at the end of this video, but you can see in here it's a beautiful spot. Tables to the left-hand side, bar right in front of you, and I'll walk you back to where the restrooms and the showers are. But a gorgeous place, great atmosphere, really good feeling, but you see very, very few people sit in here. You know, Puerto Vallarta has excellent weather all the way from November through April, so you definitely want to be outside. Here's the front counter for the hotel, some statues that you can look at. To the right is a little bit of a path, and that's where you'll find a shower, so you can rinse off the salt water at the end of the day. And into the hotel itself, if you go through these doors here, you'll find the restrooms and change rooms. So let me take you back through the hotel and inside of the beach club, and we'll go back out to where our lounge chairs is, and we'll take another look at the beach and grab some food, and I'll show you what that looks like and how it's served at Si Señor. I'll also say that if you're looking for other locations, if the Si Señor is filled, there's many here, both on either side of the pier. I prefer the south side of the pier. I find the beach is a little nicer in terms of the lack of rocks. And the next one down there is called La Palapa and El Dorado, but there's a few others if you go down further. There's lots of vendors on the beach, some selling paraphernalia like beach toys, but this guy here was selling skewers of seafood. They had shrimp, octopus, lobster, and fish. Wow, I'll tell you, it smelled so good and it was hot. Wow, I've never seen so much variety. And the price is 300 pesos for the lobster. How much for the octopus?
200.
200 and the shrimp?
Fish and shrimp, 40 pesos.
Okay, 40 pesos. Oh, that's a good price. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. If seafood protein isn't to your taste and you like fruit, that is also an option on the beach. Lots of vendors selling it. You've got mangoes, you've got pineapples, you've got watermelon, pretty much any type of fruit, tropical fruit that is, that you really like to eat, you can find here. And there's always somebody going by offering to sell it. A lot of times they offer different spices with it as well, such as tahini. And here it is, very, very good. I'll give you one tip though, get the mangoes that are really yellow or really orange. I said they're the ripest. Full of juice and the most flavor. I myself decided on a little bit of a mixed bag here. I ordered a hamburger and with all the fixings, and this one came with jalapenos, a popper that is, some onions on the side, an onion ring, bacon, and lettuce of course, and all the trimmings on top, including cheese. Gotta love it on the beach, eating burgers. Now here's something you don't see too often being made on the beach. Fresh Caesar salad. They're starting off with some eggs, throwing in some lime, some garlic, some mustard, some Worcestershire sauce. They then use this mixture to base the salad leaves before setting it on your plate and covering it with some Parmesan cheese. Absolutely delicious and so unique here. I've never seen it made on the beach before and served that way. Well, I've seen it served this way many times, but just never on the beach. I suspect this might be one of the few places in Puerto Vallarta they actually do that. Anyways, here it is. I think this is the first time I've seen a Caesar salad made on the beach. Pretty cool. Oh, lots of cheese. Parmesan cheese, some croutons, all nice and toasty. Get up close and personal with a beautiful Caesar salad. Oh, that looks great. Nice fries as well. And my wife here getting a nice massage. You get it on this portable carrier here, or laying down. How much for the massage?
500.
500?
Yes.
For how long?
30
30 minutes
minutes.
for 500, but on the beach, that's good.
You next?
Maybe back massage though.
Okay,
In the chair. In the special chair. Same price?
Yeah.
And this is the Los Muertos Pier. The pier actually looks like a sail. It's probably the most iconic thing that you can see in Puerto Vallarta, at least if you're showing brochures of the city, they always show the pier. And always at the pier, you're going to see a lot of different fishing boats and water taxis. These are mostly fishing boats here. A lot of times people will rent them right off the beach. You see people swimming. A lot of people walking the beach is probably one of our favorite things to do when we go to a beach club, is basically stroll down to the beach, to the Mirador, climb it, catch the views, then head on back to our lounge chairs to sit back and watch people. Obviously, swimming is a great pastime here as well. You see a few people out today, and in April, the water is just a perfect temperature. But the other thing you're going to find here is a lot of beach vendors selling anything from blankets and towels and beach toys to trinkets and jewelry. For the most part, they're very polite, and if you just tell them you're not interested or just actually don't engage in conversation and just wave them off, they do exactly that. They'll walk away. The ones that are actually authorized to be on the beach to selling merchandise are the ones dressed in white like you see here. If they're not dressed in white, it means they're probably not an authorized beach vendor. I find them very polite, not overly pushy, but there are a lot of them. So if you really don't want to engage with these people, don't talk to them, just wave them off. The other thing you're going to find here is musicians. There's always somebody playing music here. A lot of times they'll just start playing and they'll come around for tips. Other times they'll ask if you want a song. Always get the price, because if you don't, you might get a surprise price. Generally about 100 pesos a song, but I've seen a few people try to push it a little bit further for prices something like 200 pesos. So always ask before you agree to them playing for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video of Si Señor in Los Muertos Beach, or Playas Los Muertos, the Beach of the Dead. It's a fantastic place to come, and if you're going to spend a day on the beach with lounge chairs, you can even get rented towels here as well, so you don't have to bring your own. I can highly recommend Si Señor. It's a great location, and as I said, some of the calmest water in the entire bay is right at the pier itself. And being at the pier, you can walk to the pier, you can walk down to the Mirador at the end for some fantastic views, both north and south. On the south side is actually a nice rocky coastline, very different from this section, which is all a beautiful brown sand here. Great to walk on, great to go swimming in as well. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Until then, be safe and safe travels.